Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to help you with H3PO4 Lewis structure. So to determine the Lewis structure, we will first look at the total number of valence electrons. Here we have one phosphorus atom, and then we have hydrogen atoms and oxygen atoms. Each oxygen atom has 6 valence electrons, so we have 6 into 4 24, and plus we have 3 electrons from hydrogen atoms, and we have 5 electrons from phosphorus atoms. So in total we have 32 valence electrons for this molecule. For the placement of atoms, the hydrogen atoms will be placed near oxygen atom, because whenever there is this type of arrangement, like if you see more number of hydrogen atoms, it is quite possible that it would be attached to oxygen atom, and then that complete molecule like OH group will be attached to that central atom. So here we are going to do that arrangement where we will place phosphorus atom in the center, all oxygen atoms surrounding the phosphorus atom, and the hydrogen atoms will be placed around oxygen atoms. So the arrangement would look something like this. To show bonds between these atoms, we will place a pair of electrons between all phosphorus and oxygen atoms. So doing that, we will be using up 8 valence electrons, and then we will place a pair of electron between oxygen and hydrogen atoms as well, and then we will try to complete octets for all the oxygen atoms, which will eventually help us to use up all our 32 valence electrons. So if you count the number of electrons that we have used up here, it would be 32. So it might seem a very good Lewis structure to you because of all the valence electrons that are placed properly and because of the placement of the bonds and everything. But if you calculate the formal charges for this molecule, phosphorus atom will have a charge of +1 and oxygen atom will have a charge of -1. Now we generally try to opt for a structure in which formal charges are as close to 0. So, and if it is possible, we actually do that. Here we can nullify those charges by shifting a pair of electron from oxygen atom. So if you shift a pair of electron from oxygen atom in between oxygen and phosphorus atom, it can balance off these charges. As a result, there will be a double bond formed between this oxygen and phosphorus atom. As oxygen atom is not reacting with hydrogen atom here, it has an electron pair to spare, so it can react with phosphorus atom with a double bond, and hence now this is the Lewis structure of H3PO4, in which phosphorus atom forms a double bond with one oxygen and single bonds with the rest of OH groups. I hope this video helps you to understand the Lewis structure for H3PO4 molecule, and for more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.